The world of cookware can be overwhelming, with countless brands and models vying for attention. However, for those seeking an affordable yet high-quality solution for everyday cooking, this Cooksmark aluminum non-stick frying pan set, 3-piece, has quickly emerged as a top contender. With its innovative design, user-friendly features, and focus on safety, this set caters to a wide range of cooking styles and needs. A closer look at the Cooksmark aluminum non-stick frying pan set. This set includes 3 frying pans in the following sizes. 8-inch pan, ideal for single servings, frying eggs, or quick snacks. 9.5-inch pan, perfect for side dishes, sautéed vegetables, or medium-sized meals. 11-inch pan, a spacious option for family-sized dishes, stir-fries, or large portions. Each pan is thoughtfully crafted to provide a seamless cooking experience, with features that cater to convenience, safety, and durability. 1. Superior non-stick coating. The star of the show is the non-stick coating on all 3 pans. This coating is not only durable but also highly effective, ensuring that food doesn't stick to the surface. Whether you're flipping pancakes, making an omelet, or preparing delicate fish fillets, you can count on these pans for hassle-free cooking. The non-stick surface also allows for healthier cooking. By reducing the need for excessive oil or butter, you can enjoy your favorite dishes guilt-free while maintaining their flavor and texture. Additionally, this coating makes cleanup remarkably simple. Most food residues slide off effortlessly. Number 2. Energy-efficient aluminum construction. The Cooksmark frying pans are crafted from high-quality aluminum, a material known for its excellent heat conductivity. This ensures that the pans heat up quickly and distribute heat evenly across the surface. The benefit? No more hot spots that can cause uneven cooking or burnt food. Every ingredient gets the attention it deserves, leading to perfectly cooked meals every time. Moreover, the efficient heating saves energy and reduces cooking time, making this set an eco-friendly choice for your kitchen. 3. Ergonomic Bakelite handles for comfort and safety. Comfort and safety are paramount when handling cookware, and the Cooksmark frying pan set excels in this department. Each pan is equipped with a Bakelite handle, which is designed to stay cool even during extended cooking sessions. These handles are not only heat-resistant, but also ergonomically shaped to provide a secure and comfortable grip. This reduces the risk of accidental spills or burns, giving you greater confidence as you cook. 4. Safe and non-toxic materials. In today's health-conscious world, the safety of cookware materials is a significant concern. The Cooksmark frying pan set is completely free of harmful chemicals like cadmium and lead, ensuring that your food remains uncontaminated. This commitment to safety gives you peace of mind, knowing that the pans you're using are as safe as they are effective. 5. Low maintenance and easy to clean. Nobody enjoys spending hours scrubbing cookware after a meal. Thankfully, the non-stick surface of these pans makes cleaning a breeze. A quick rinse with warm soapy water is often all that's needed to restore them to their original shine. For even more convenience, the pans are dishwasher-safe. However, hand washing is recommended to extend the life of the non-stick coating. What sets Cooksmark apart from the competition? With so many frying pan sets on the market, what makes Cooksmark a standout choice? Here are some compelling reasons. 1. All-in-one solution. The 3 different sizes cover a wide range of cooking needs, from small snacks to large family meals. 2. Stylish design. The sleek, modern look of these pans enhances the aesthetic of any kitchen. 3. Exceptional durability. Built to withstand daily use, these pans retain their functionality and appearance for years. 4. Affordability. Despite their premium features, these pans are competitively priced, offering excellent value for money. Final thoughts. Is the Cooksmark aluminum non-stick frying pan set worth it? If you're searching for reliable, stylish, and versatile cookware that doesn't break the bank, the Cooksmark aluminum non-stick frying pan set, 3-piece, is a fantastic choice. Its combination of superior non-stick performance, efficient heating, and user-friendly design makes it a standout in its category. Whether you're a beginner looking to upgrade your kitchen tools or an experienced cook seeking convenience and quality, this frying pan set delivers on all fronts. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring the Cooksmark frying pan set into your kitchen today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.